Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle in additional, not in today's newspaper. No, it's actually today's Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. It's actually the newspaper of yesterday, Saturday, May the 6th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the Sudoku with 2 stars and the Sudoku with 4 stars, so 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. Yeah, binary time. And this one will be number 6398. Yeah, 6398. Oh, 6398. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 16 printed digits. Not more than 30 printed digits. Not more than 20 printed digits. 16. Alright, and what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. By 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. A double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, a third one, and the fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O then. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then let me think. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then let me think. We have 1 completed column. Oh, here 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Then 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Well, without comparing. Alright. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I will do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 14 printed digits. Alright. See you later. Bye bye for now.